In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track a package on Aftership. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can quickly check a shipment's latest status without any confusion. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Aftership. Type the brand name carefully to avoid lookalike sites. In the search results, look for the official Aftership website. You'll usually recognize it by the proper branding and a secure lock icon in the address bar. If you see sponsored results at the top, scroll past them if you're unsure and choose the trusted official link to proceed safely. Once you're on the home page, locate the login option, typically near the top right. Click it, then sign in with your existing account. Enter your credentials securely, and if your account uses two-factor authentication, complete that step as prompted. If you're already signed in, you'll land directly in your dashboard. Keep your login details private and avoid saving them on shared devices. Inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar. Find and click Tracking. This section houses the tools you'll use to monitor your packages. When the tracking area opens, head to the Shipments option under the Tracking dashboard. Clicking Shipments will display a list of all the packages your account is monitoring. You'll usually see columns like Tracking Number, Carrier, Status, and Last Update. If you have many entries, use the search or filters to narrow things down by number, courier, or date. Next, choose the tracking number you want to check and click on it. If the list is long, paste the exact number into the search field to jump right to it. Before you click through, it can help to confirm the courier listed matches your shipment and that the last updated time looks recent. After you select the tracking number, the shipment's details will slide out from the left sidebar. Here you'll see the current status, any recent checkpoints, estimated delivery information if available, and a timeline of movements. Common statuses include info received, in transit, out for delivery, delivered, or exception. If you see an exception or a delay, note the latest checkpoint and date for context. You can refresh the page to load new updates, keeping in mind that carriers post scans periodically rather than in real time. That's it. Open your browser, go to Aftership, log in, click Tracking, open Shipments, choose your tracking number, and read the status panel. Follow these steps anytime you want a clear, up-to-date view of your package's journey.